how to create an account on Notion. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to create an account on Notion. For that, you want to first of all install Notion into your device. So head over to your respective app store and type in Notion and install the app to the device. Once the application is completely installed, click on the open button. Now then, it's going to ask you whether you can continue with Google, continue with Apple ID, continue with Microsoft, log in with passkey, sign in, continue with email. Select one of these methods to create an account. I'm gonna go for the email and type in my email address and click the continue button. As you've done that, it's going to ask you to type in the verification code that's going to be sent to your email. So you just want to open that up. You will click on autofill and automatically it's going to be entered in the particular field. So here's my code. Click on the continue button after you're done entering the verification code. And as you could see, you'll be asked to create a profile. So entering your first and the last name. And you want to select what do you want to use Notion for and click on the next button. And if you want to enable notification, then you could do that and click on the next. Once again, tap on the next, go on tapping on next and click on get started, and now you've successfully created an account on Notion. So that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.